centering the clay with pressure from my both hands, and I have to go with the speed of the wheel. Bago tayo makagawa ng any kind of shape na gusto natin, may it be a vase, a bowl, or a mug, cylinder pa po muna ang unang-unang gagawin, for that's the basic shape. To do the cylinder, bubutasan natin dito sa gitna. Palalawakin natin ang butas na yan by slowly pulling the clay towards the side. Dito naman po, with controlled pressure from my both hands, I'm going to compress the clay together, and then dahan-dahan ko siyang iangat sa taas. One more time. Kamay ko po ang nagko-control sa clay. Hindi po ang clay ang nagko-control sa kamay. At kung inaangat natin to, kailangan natin siyang dinadahan-dahan. Hindi natin siya binibigla para hindi siya ma-off-center at hindi mag-collapse. Now, this is our cylinder. But we are going to reshape this for us to see how far the clay goes. Kaya ang gagawin ko, here at the very bottom of the clay, I'm going to slowly push it outwards while pushing and pulling my hands up. I'm supporting my left hand with my right hand outside. Here in the middle, I'm pushing it inwards, slowly pulling it up, supporting my right hand with my left hand inside. Then I'm going to push it outwards at the top to make a flower vase. We can even make it sexier a bit here at the very middle to enhance the shape if needed be by slowly pushing it in while pulling the clay up to the top. At kung gusto naman natin itong maging water container, lalagyan lang po natin ng muso na ganyan. So, ang ginagawa namin dito, ini-air dry namin siya for 5 days. After 5 days of air drying, kapag leather dry na po siya, we come back, we trim the bottom, then we put a handle on it. That's the time din na maglagay kami ng any kind of decorations na gusto namin to enhance the beauty. Then we air dry it again for a month. Iluluto namin sa oven for 10 hours of firing. Maghintay kami para mag-cool down yung oven, we come back, bring out the pieces, then apply na namin siya ng glazes. Yung glazes po yung po nagbibigay kulay at kintab sa kanya, pero hindi po siya kagaya ng pintura na pinahid mo lang, makikita na agad ang result. Kailangan po siyang iluto ulit to a certain temperature for 10 to 12 hours bago lalabas ang kagandahan ng each piece. They are very good for food containers, the microwavable, and of course, ang kulay po niya, hindi po nagbabago. Gusto mo mag-try? Ha?